2-year-old Bob Middleton had the American dream, and the dream came true. Today, he and his family, including wife Julie, daughter Carrie, granddaughter Olivia, and son Bobby Jr., Olympic contender swimmer, carry on the tradition of excellence in customer service, returning your car to perfect pre-accident condition.
At Bob's Auto Body, we have 2 state-of-the-art spray booths, 2 car liner frame benches for repairing your vehicle back to factory specification. The paint department has been updated to produce the highest quality clear-coated finishes that are environmentally friendly and even meet EPA standards. All of our technicians are certified experts with the best equipment to repair your vehicle back to perfect pre-accident condition.
The family will be there to help you. Within minutes, they'll take down all the details and specifications. They'll check insurance, do everything needed to get you a prompt estimate. You know your car is in great hands and your repairs are on the way. So whether it's a rear-end wreck, a front-end collision, or a small scratch, you will always get the best top-of-the-line service, price, and quality from Bob's Auto Body, and you'll always be happy with this special part of the American dream. So call 760-324-3300. That's 760-324-3300.